Make flowchart in Microsoft Word. Using SmartArt to create a flowchart. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on SmartArt in the Illustrations group. In the Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog box, select a SmartArt category in the left pane according to your needs. Here I select Hierarchy. Choose a layout such as Organization Chart. Click OK to insert the SmartArt. Now you need to customize the chart to show the process flow you need. Here I need to remove all the default boxes from the chart and start with a new box. So I click inside the SmartArt graphic, press Ctrl and A to select all elements within the SmartArt, and then press the Delete key to remove them. Click on the Type Your Text Here box. Type text for the start of the entire process. For example, lamp doesn't work. After typing text, press Enter to get a sibling box to the current box. Then you need to press the Tab key again to convert this newly created box into a sub-box of the selected box. Follow the instructions to complete the creation of the boxes required for the entire process. Then type text in each box using the Type Your Text Here placeholder. Then you need to change the box shapes to make the chart look more like a flow chart. Select one or more boxes. Go to the Format tab. Choose a more suitable shape for this box in the flowchart section in the Change Shape drop-down list. Repeat the same steps to change the shape of the other desired boxes. To change the fill color of the boxes, select one or multiple boxes, go to the Format tab, choose a fill color from the Shape Fill drop-down list. Repeat the same steps to change the fill color of the other boxes. You can enlarge the graph to make it easier to handle. Then you can change the font color of the boxes. Select one or multiple boxes. Choose a font color from the Text Fill drop-down list under the Format tab. Then repeat the same steps to change the font color of the other boxes. The font in the box is currently too small, we need to increase its size. Select one or multiple boxes under the Home tab. Choose a font size from the Font Size drop-down list. Repeat the same steps to change the font size of the other boxes. After enlarging the font size, you may notice the text exceeds the box area. To resize the box, select it and move your cursor over one of the corners. When the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click and drag the handle to adjust the size of the box. You can add outline to the boxes if you need. Select one or multiple boxes, go to the Format tab, choose a color from the Shape Outline drop-down list. Repeat the same steps to add outline to the other boxes. Finally, we need to adjust the connectors. Select the lines one by holding the Ctrl key. Under the Format tab, select Shape Outline, Arrows, and then choose an arrow style. The flow chart is now complete. Using shapes to create a flow chart. Using shapes for creating flow charts offers flexibility and customization but can be more time-consuming. To start, you need to insert shapes. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and then choose the shapes that best represent different stages of your process in the flowchart group. Draw each selected shape in the document where it belongs. You can use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to copy and paste shapes, which saves time when creating repetitive elements. Now we need to connect the shapes. Again, under Shapes, select Line or Line Arrow. Draw connections where necessary. While drawing a line, holding the Shift key can keep the line aligned horizontally or vertically. Click on a shape to add text directly. After labeling all the shapes, we now need to customize the appearance. To change the fill color of the shapes, select the shapes, go to the Shape Format tab, choose a fill color from the Shape Fill drop-down list. Repeat the same steps to change the fill color of the other shapes. To change the font color of the shapes, select the shapes one by holding the Ctrl key. Choose a font color from the Text Fill drop-down list under the Shape Format tab. To change the font size of the shapes, Select the shapes one by one by holding the Control key. Under the Home tab, choose a font size from the font size drop-down list. Finally, we need to change the color of the connected lines. Select all the lines by holding the Control key and selecting them one by one, and then select a color from the Shape Outline drop-down list under the Shape Format tab. A flowchart created with shapes is now complete. Thanks for watching.